Easy guide to adding furniture to your 3D floor plan. Adding furniture to your floor plan isn't just fun, it's how you make your design practical. In Homestyler, furniture placement is as simple as drag and drop. Start by entering 3D View and navigating to the Furniture Library. Here you'll find thousands of real brand items, sofas, beds, dining sets, appliances, and more. You can sort by room type or style. Once you find an item you like, click and drag it into your floor plan. It will snap into place and scale automatically. You can rotate and move it freely. Want to match your wall color with the couch? You can customize furniture colors and finishes. You can also layer items, place a carpet under a sofa, or stack a lamp on a side table. Homestyler supports multi-layer positioning and group selection. This is a great way to test room layouts, flow, and style, all before buying anything. Use the link in the description to join. Homestyler for free and start experimenting with furniture in your design today. It's fast, realistic, and super satisfying to see your rooms come to life.